Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Miss Lola shoe haul. They had a 40% off, so I grabbed myself a few pairs. Now, I don't know about you guys, but don't you ever like be obsessed with a certain style or color and then you realize after you placed your order that you ordered like the same thing? So that's what happened in this scenario here. All my shoes are pointed toe except for these cutout booties. So I'm gonna show you this pair. All right, here. Gorgeous, honey. And I'm gonna try them on for you guys, of course, as well. So this has like little fake diamond stud details. It ties. I liked it because it had that little tie thingy in the front. And it's not a long tie thingy, so I feel like it's just easy to tie and make a little bow with it. These give me New Year's Eve vibes, but they're a little suede material. Cute. I ordered all my shoes in a size 8 and they fit perfectly. The next pair, the next pair that I got, this one. Okay, another pointed toe. So this is another pointed toe, but I like how these, it's the clear situation. I have a nude clear ones like this, but I need a black, you know, the black underneath. So if I'm wearing something black, it's gonna be cute, but chulo. Very happy with these. Okay, next pair. This haul is gonna be so fast. Yeah, so these, see, this is what I'm saying. Another pointed toe effect going on. Clear straps. This wraps around here. That's what that looks like. Very comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I was very impressed with the comfortability of these shoes. And like I said, if I'm wearing something that I need to match with the white, I just feel like these pointed toe shoes look really good with jeans because it stands out, and I don't know, they make your toes look good. If you have chubby feet like me, I feel like pointed toe is the way to go. Oh, let me show you guys the heel. It's really cute. Chulo. The smell of new smells so good. And I know it's getting colder, but I don't know, you just need heels. You need heels. I didn't buy no boots. These are for fall though. These are fall vibes. Oof, honey. Let me show y'all these. So let me take this out. Open toe, cute. I do wish that the heel was black, but it's all good. They're still really, really cute. With your little white toes out, honey. Girl. Super cute. Cute. I will start posting on my Instagram how I wear all these heels. And yeah, I think I did pretty good with the price and the quality of the shoes. I'm really happy. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.